This yellow line here, the golden level, is the 50% retracement. Most often, after major moves down, the price will at least retrace back up to that 50% level before finding larger drops to continue the uptrend. Ethereum has officially broken structural resistance here at $2,142. And as we head up to $2,300, where do we think Ethereum is going next? Based on my previous Bitcoin predictions, we could even see a break of this resistance. And in this video, I'm going to show you my exact targets and all the data you need to know moving forward for Ethereum, especially as we readjust to the bull market expectations. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident LLC, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new with us, if you head down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you can join us for our brand new 103 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, access our daily crypto metrics, and join us for our $1 million profit account challenge, new members only content right there. With our membership at the first link, you can get access to our indicators for 60% off at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Before we get into the analysis, I have just a few announcements. There is 2 brand new future forecast updates you need to know right now. Check future forecast right now because I just bought ... And if we scroll all the way down here, brand new crypto forecast, Bitcoin to 48,000 now. Here's the charts as evidence plus full Bitcoin mining trade update as well. You need to pay attention to this. This is members only content. Access it at this link. And we just won 4 new trades. Link for 7%, Matic for 8%, Sheeb for 4%, and Atom for 7% as well. This brings us to 103 wins, 0 losses through the 9 months we've been tracking. Access these trades at this link. All that and more with a membership to TradeConfident.io. Check this out. Crazy profit. This person just recently sold and made $4,103. This person made $3,100 in a day. This person made their money back with the indicators we offer here at Trade Confident. With that, let's jump into the analysis. We're going to scroll down to the Ethereum metrics, and the first metric we're taking a look at here is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Now, we've pushed into excited territory and are very nearly in greedy. I'm betting tomorrow's update will show us in greedy territory, and typically when we move into this area, this is where we're seeing slight moves down. So we need to keep track of that. But notice after each one of these, this has resulted in a higher low formation. This is very good news, and as long as this continues with higher highs and higher lows, Ethereum is looking bullish. But watch out for a little bit of a drop in the short term because of this greedy and excited reading. Next up, I want to take you down to the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. Now, this called the pump perfectly. Whenever you see a reading within or very near the breakout zone, this is where you're seeing intense moves in the market. This is exactly what we got. And watch out, if we drop below the breakout zone again, you could expect large moves incoming. But be careful because not every single move is bullish. A lot of the times you will see bearish moves. This just shows that volatility is increasing. If you want to see which direction we're likely to head, you need to pay attention to the Ethereum whale smart money metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. And after this massive pump, whales are very likely to short trade this market. This is textbook stuff. The last time we were at this level, we saw drops down to form that higher low, and I think we can expect the same here. Just a little bit of a drop to form a higher low before the next higher high in Ethereum. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Ethereum whale money flow relative to price chart. As whale money pumped into the market, we saw the price of Ethereum rise as well. This is very, very normal. You could see it happen back here as the green line moved up, showing whale money was moving into the market. Ethereum pumped. This is extremely consistent, and unfortunately, it does look like whale money is moving out of the market. This shows the short trades we were just talking about is likely to form a higher low. And as soon as whale money begins moving money back into the market, we'll see the price of Ethereum move back up, once again likely to form a higher high formation. Next up, let's talk about our targets using the Ethereum major support and resistance levels chart. We have structure support at $2,136 after surpassing our previous 2023 high, and unfortunately we'll have to take a look at the live charts in order for me to show you resistances. Actually, not unfortunately. This is great. Ethereum is making crazy money right now. So stay tuned for that. Last but not least is going to be the Ethereum trade signals chart. Now, we recently got a sell signal that resulted in moves to the downside. If we get a sell signal again, we can expect the same once again to form a new higher low in Ethereum before the next move up. Keep that in mind. Keep a close eye on the Ethereum trade signals chart in order to catch the next drop. And if you're an Ethereum trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics in general. Members get access to the Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members are going to get access to those crazy future forecast videos. And if you check this out, our last trade taken out on the future forecast videos actually made $12,435. Now, this has to do with the Bitcoin mining stocks, so stay tuned for that. Access our trade setups where we're currently 103 wins, 0 losses at our trade setups page. View our Morning Brew overview, Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangouts every single month. Access all of this and more with the membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. You're going to scroll down to find the full access membership for $59 a month. You're going to want to lock in your price now because price increases to $95 a month are coming soon. This is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're heading into the live charts, checking out Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Right off the bat, I want to point out that whale money is still in the middle of its chart despite reaching up to and very nearly testing structure resistance at $2,300. This tells me that whale money has plenty of room to move up, especially as we look at previous tops, and this could result in significant moves to the upside, especially because we only have a 63% chance of a drop. I would honestly consider this fairly neutral compared to previous readings up in the short trade zone, which I want to point out, price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor high, resulted in moves down, especially with a sell signal. So watch out for that as we retest structure resistance. But we're nowhere near that. Once again, whale money has plenty of room to move down. And I'm actually going to have to take you to the 1 week time frame to find our next targets. If we break through our current $2,300 structure resistance, it's going to be absolutely insane. What I'm going to do here is use what's called a Fibonacci retracement. Now, what you're going to do here is find the bottom. As you can see back here, I'm going to move it over here just so we can see where our price is at. Then you're going to bring it to the previous top. As we zoom in here, this yellow line here, the golden level, is the 50% retracement. Most often, after major moves down, the price will at least retrace back up to that 50% level before finding larger drops to continue the uptrend. Now, it's not always within that. Now, it's not always exactly 50. It's actually typically within this yellow zone right here. And as we can see, we have plenty of room to move up. In fact, let me grab a horizontal line. The 50% mark actually sits at $2,816. Now, I know this sounds like a significant amount, but if we head over to Bitcoin and use a retracement here, you're going to notice its top end sits exactly at $48,000. If Bitcoin hits that $48,000 mark, you can be sure that the rest of the crypto market is going up too. And I think this would move the price of Ethereum up as high as $2,816. And this will be tougher in the shorter term, but anywhere between the $2,816 and $3,281 mark is possible for Ethereum. I'm going to stick to the $2,800 level for now because it's going to be easier to talk about. And heading back to the 1-day time frame and deleting the retracement, we absolutely have some ground to cover for Ethereum. So over the next couple of months, 2,800 is where I'm looking. Now, I know this is huge, but from the current price, a move up to $2,800 is going to be about a 26% move. This is absolutely not unheard of in the crypto market, especially as we transition into the bull market. Now, I know this is a huge difference from what I've been talking about, and I want to address this. Previously, I had been expecting major drops to the downside. At this point, we now have $2,142 as our structure support. Let's change that over. This last move completely invalidated my previous predictions, and at this point it's become very clear to me as a trader and influencer here that we need to start shifting our focus towards more bullish predictions. Even slightly bullish readings as we transition in the bull market are going to be much more bullish than they were in the bear market. Bearish readings should result in higher lows, which should result in, from there, higher highs to continue this bull market. So I know calls recently have been rough. I just wanted to address this. We are at this point transitioning to the bull market sentiment, and the indicators are transitioning as well. These indicators do amazingly in a trending market. And as we saw, as we transitioned from bull to bear, it took a little bit for these indicators to catch up. But through the next few months, as we move into the halving event in April and onward, These indicators are going to absolutely crush it, and you cannot afford to miss these signals, especially as we track whale money with the price versus whale money flow, catch the tops and bottoms of crypto with the TC top and bottom finder, and accurately measure price momentum with the trades in favor indicators. These are going to be essential. You do not want to miss out on their next signals, and if you want to snag them, I can help you get them for up to $550 off right now. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator page. Scroll down here, and the Pro Indicator pack is going to be the very first link. Be sure to snag it with a membership because members get significantly cheaper offers than non-members. Once you have your membership access coupon code, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code and fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on these next signals. Stay tuned.